Okay, Owen. Open your present, your birthday present from Grandpa. He sent it a long time ago. He wanted you to open it. Go ahead. It's in the box.
What is this?
I don't know. Open it up. What is it?
I don't know. Spider-Man.
What is it?
Spider-Man scissors.
Is that cool? You need help? Go help him, Ty. Can Tylee help you?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Daddy, these are ticks.
What are they?
Ticks.
A what? Let's see, what is it?
They're balls.
They're punching balloons.
Busting a boom.
Yeah. Punching balloons. We'll have to blow them up.
Busting a boom.
Yeah. All right.
What is it? A book?
What is it?
A book.
That's a book?
Look, that's this.
Yeah, I bet it's a birthday. What'd that card say? Open that card up again.
Open it up.
Open up that card again. Here, let me see.
How's it on?
Oh, Grandpa sent you money too. Open it up again.
Open it up all the way, Owen.
Is that cool?
Uh-huh.
Say, hey, Owen, look at the camera. You say, thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Toodaloo.
Toodaloo.
Say, love you.
Bless you.
Say bye-bye.